Hi, welcome back to Take It Out. I'll start today by giving you full disclosure. I was reached out to by email from this company called Divoom, who wanted me to have a look at their device. And I must admit, I get many of these emails, and usually it's for a little box that sits on the shelf with the light on or something silly like that. And I wasn't really interested. But then I looked at the website to see what exactly this was. And I must admit, I take it all back. This I am very excited about. If it's as good as it shows on the website, this is probably the best stocking filler for Christmas for tech nerds and children and geeks that is out there. I tell you, this looks really good, and I'm hoping it's as good as it sounds. The box is quite heavy, so let's have a look what's inside. Okay. Get this out and take it out of its bubble wrap. Well packed, I've got to say. Oh, right, now, again, surprise, surprise, this is a really nice bit of packaging. It's nothing, not just a plain empty box of brown paper or whatever. It's really well designed. This is the Timebox Evo from Divoom, and I think I best just open it up, unbox it, you can have a look at it, and then I'll tell you some of its features. So let's get this open. And okay, like a Christmas morning, pulling off the cellophane, and then this just slides out. What is it? Ah, right then. It's not that easy. Okay, so how does it open? It should just slide out. Very tightly packaged. Let's try that. Ah, got it. So, out it comes. That there moment. Again, this is really nice packaging. Okay, so the next step is this will keep the children happy on Christmas morning. Unpacking this. Okay, and nothing in the top there, put that over there. Wow, okay, a box within a box. So let's put that there a moment and see what's in here. So I'll tip it all out, put that over there. We have Pixel Art Smart Bluetooth Speaker User Guide, and really, actually, it's nicely laid out. Now this is one of those guides that you're going to have to look at. It's not going to go off the drawer of obscurity because this has got so many features on it. I am going to need to look at some of this at some point in time. So there's the user guide. What's in the box? Let's look in here. Silica gel, that can go off. And in the bag, everything is really high quality packaging here, I've got to say. Okay, let's just rip that off. And we've got, that's a Type-C USB as well. So it's a USB Type-C connection. Wow, that is unexpected. Keeps surprising me, this. A little quality control inspection triangle. Now then, yet another cover. Where should I put that one? I'm running out of space here. Put that one there. And more protective packaging. And here it is at last. The Timebox Evo Bluetooth speaker. But this is the back of it, of course. USB-C power connector there. On-off switch there on the top. you've got a lighting switch, volume up and down, play, pause, and I'm not sure what that one is, I'll have to come to that. Divoom on the side, and then on the front, oh look, I'm going to leave that on for a moment. It just looks like a blank panel, but of course it's not. If I switch this on, I wonder if it has something already installed on the screen. Whoa, okay. And it's looking for a Bluetooth, so now I need to get the app. I have installed the app on the phone already. So what I'm going to do, it's actually come up with the time there as well. So I need to pair up the app. So here's the app. And as you can see, there are lots and lots of pictures that you can transfer to this. But that's not all you can do. On this, it has, of course, your speaker for playing music on. I'll show you that in a moment. It's also got a voice messenger, so you can leave messages. Daily planner. You can have the pixel tool, so you can make your own drawings or transfer stuff to the screen and share it with people all around the world. There are games and also social media notifications, and it covers just about everything, all the big names plus many of the smaller names as well. So let's see if I can get this actually paired up. Now I haven't looked at the instructions yet, but usually you press and hold the on-off button. So let's try that. Goes off. Switching it back on, and then there's a little button here, Bluetooth search. Let's see if it finds it. Timebox Evo, unconnected. So if I click on that, we can connect up, and now we're connected. Wow, okay, so we're all connected. We've got allow the system to access the media and whatever. Let's, first of all, and let's see what it sounds like. So, let's have a look here. I wonder if I can transfer this. And it's as easy as that. Look at that. Wow. Okay. I am so impressed with that. That is so easy to use. I was expecting it to be really difficult. But no, it's really easy. Let's put Santa up, shall we? And download Santa to the box. I haven't looked at any instructions for this whatsoever yet. It's just nice to have something that's really intuitive and easy to use. So there you go, it's Santa there. And let's give him a bit of music to dance to again, is it? Just put the microphone a bit closer so you can hear it better. Okay, so that's one part of it. As I said, it's incredible just as how much this little box does. There is a micro version or a mini version of this as well with not quite so many features, but yeah, you have on the actual app itself, you have design. You can actually design and animate things yourself, and then once you've done that, you can upload them and share them all around the world. You can chat with people, you can set alarms, you can set a sleep mode. How do I get it to... Don't want to go standby, so I just switch it on and it goes into sleep mode. And I don't know if you can hear that. some nice ambient sounds there. I'm moving my microphone back and forth. I hope I'm not making too much noise with it. But again, there's so many choices. The nice thing about this as well, so far I haven't found anything that you have to pay for. It all seems to be free with the cost of the box. Now, in dollars, it's about $45, I think, to buy it. That works out in pounds UK to about 35, I would imagine. So what else? You got a planner, you got a game mode, you got a stopwatch mode, you got celebrations. Okay, let's have a look at celebrations. Memorial calendar. So obviously you have to program that first by the looks of it, for birthdays and whatever. Countdown meter, noise meter. So when you're playing, right, so let's go back and play the music now, and we should have, I'm hoping, maybe not. Oh, it's just recording. It's actually recording the noise in the room. So if I be quiet, the ambient noise in this room is 46 to 47 decibels. Well, okay. I thought it was just going to put a display on the screen. Okay, let's go back. So that's the noise meter. Scoreboard, notifications, weather mode, and let's have a look what it says about weather. So weather today, okay. You can do up. It's still doing the where was it? Noise. So how do I switch this off? Stop. There we go. Right, we go back, and we go to weather mode. And will that come up on the screen as well? I'm gonna have to look at that one a bit closer. What else was there? Sleep, alarm, chat, mixer. Is it the mixer, the one I was thinking of? Oh, look at this. Okay. There's just so much you can do with this. I'm not a musician by any stretch of the imagination, and I don't know how to use a digital mixer board. I'm from the analog generation, but obviously you can do various things with this. This is incredible. I want this for Christmas now. My intent is to actually give this away to somebody, to a child. I felt I don't really like taking items from companies because it can be seen as influencing you. And this is totally uninfluenced. All I'm saying today is just me reacting to this. They haven't paid me. There's no contract between us about what I'm allowed to say and not allowed to say, but this thing is just awesome, really, really good. And yeah, there we go. You can leave voice messages, designs, animations, and L editor. Also, I'm not sure what that is. So what's this say? Pixel coloring. Let's just switch through that. Custom mode. Okay. No, it's just taking us back to that. Okay. Okay, so I haven't even started really looking through any of these settings. So that's the first one. You've got a clock mode there. Then you've got the animations. Then you've got your music mode. And it actually gives you a list of music you can play as well. I'm not going to play any now because they may be copyrighted. And then you've got your settings. So you've got your account LED settings. So you can have it on and off at various times of the day, dim the lights and whatever, usual type of things to help you sleep. Shake to adjust brightness, so you can shake it. There's obviously some sort of a sensor in there for movement as well. Sound commands, energy saver mode, and then you've got your temperature in Fahrenheit and centigrade. Startup logo, notification sounds, so you can adjust the light intensity. So if I take that down, it goes dimmer and brighter. Yeah, there's just so much on this. This is incredible. I might buy one for myself now as well. This is just great. I love this. This is fantastic. So yeah, I highly recommend this. Just skip the advert and let it. Now then, what should I just check on the screen to finish with? Oh well, we've got to have some more dancing, haven't we? So what should we have dancing? There you go. Snowman. Let's put the snowman up. And there he goes. Is he get up? Yes, no, that's not the snowman. Let's try that again. There we go. And is he going to change? Yep. No, he's still on Santa. Oh, it's what's he doing? I'm not sure. Is it circling in between the various images? I'm not sure there. Anyway, Santa's dancing. So let's give him some music to dance to. And for now, from Tech It House, thanks for watching.